So the plan for this video is to see just exactly how fast I'm going. So I got an app, like a speedometer app. Now it should, now if I do that, your trip is being recorded. Okay, so I'm just gonna throw my phone in here. Actually, does it have to be on? Let's see. Okay, let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's throw this on my back, and we'll be seeing exactly how fast I'm going. Fast I was going right there. That's not even that long of a stretch, so hopefully we got some decent speed there. Place your guesses in the comments right now. My guess is 49, 51. All right, let's see. Trip recorded. Trip history. That's wrong. All-time maximum speed was definitely not 0. I guess I do have to leave it on. Okay. That was a really good hole shot though. It's pretty clean. It would suck if this whole entire video were a complete fail. Let's see. Boom. Come on, come on. 60. I hit 60. Oof. Okay. Speed data, top speed 59.8. I didn't think I was going that fast, which means I go faster on that straightaway, which means I could be hitting 70. Average speed, well, obviously that average is going to be pretty bad. I literally just did a half mile right there, according to this anyway. That's actually super surprising. I'm going way faster than I thought I was. Okay, let's just go down there real quick. We'll teleportation in 3, 2, 1. I'll start it down here, and then we'll just see what happens. Oh, out of gas. Guess we'll be doing that after I refill. Didn't think I was that low, but freaking fantastic. Let's push. Hey, if you want to help me push the bike, just press that like button right now and subscribe. just not a lot of space to slow down if I do get up there on speed. But let's see what we got. Maybe I should just get like a little phone holder so I can see it while I'm riding. Oh, top speed isn't as much. Interesting. But yeah, we actually didn't go faster. We were just below 60. So really we're getting the most speed on that straightaway over there. Now I actually have proof that I'm hitting pretty much 60 miles an hour. Some of my friends didn't believe me. They're just like, no way. And I'm just like, I'd say I am. Like, I've definitely hit 60. I'm not even like fully pinning it, and I'm already at 59, so. That was fast. Okay. Let's see. 61. Ooh. Okay. Top speed 61. Half mile. But yeah, look at that acceleration. That is insane. But yes, it is confirmed. I am hitting 60 miles an hour. All the people that were kind of doubting me, there's your proof. Take it. But yeah, I'm just gonna call that a video. Wrap it all up. Look forward to a on-road moto vlog on the 225 sometime next week, because I have almost all that squared away. It's gonna be a good time. Very excited for that. And yeah, I'll be seeing you in the next video, I guess.